Here we are. We just arrived in Strashinek. Right. I'll show you around how it is the crowd. Wow. Wow. So many people actually. I think that this is gonna be a festival. Burger shop. Oh wow. Wow. I didn't expect this crowd like this today. My gosh. So many people. So many people. I don't know where I'm gonna sit and have my time. It is literally packed with people. My goodness. There is no space to sit even. Barzo, Duzo, Luji. So many people are here actually. Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland, right? I'm here in the Strashinek Lake. It's so packed with people. It's like this. No place actually for me to find a space. Look at this blue sky, beautiful sunshine today. It's very hot. It's about 30 degrees, and that in front of me people doing stand-up paddling, kayak, and chill by the boat. It's nice weather today. There's a trampoline over there. It is busy, packed with people. So that's over there is the restaurant. People enjoying by the beach, lake or something like that. And I'll take you to stroll around. I'm looking for the place to cool off myself. It is very hot and I feel like there is no space probably under the shade or something like that. It's hot and so packed with people, you see. People really like sunbathing here. For me myself, I just prefer like to find a spot under the shade. Oh, that's the pond over there. But yes, look at this, so packed. Everywhere you go, people sunbathing. It's nice to see that. Maybe because this week is the last week of the summer, that's why it's pretty busy here. And I'm just looking for the place to sit basically. Maybe I will have a ice cream, and in front of me is actually the volleyball court. And yeah, it's hot. They really like being under the heat. I think that's the ice cream shop over there. I need to have something to cool off myself. It's nice. That's the gym. That's another molo up here. Right, this is the ice cream shop. Barzo Goronsolato. It's very hot and I decided to buy one ice cream. It's nice breeze here. So I just decided to sit here actually under the tree and on the bench. Nice. Even my ice cream is very easy to get melted in front of me. They're playing a volleyball under the heat. Oh my goodness. And look at surround. So I couldn't handle to get overheated, so I just better to sit here under the tree. Nice, very nice summer. So I took you to another molo. Basically, you see there's so many people are swimming here in the lake, Stresnes Lake, and many young people also here in the molo. That's over there is beautiful green. And here is another molo. And look, how is the crowd? So packed of people. I don't know what to say. This is so packed, very packed with people. I don't know if I'm thinking to go swimming or something like that. I don't think it's the best idea. Easy. So you can bring your own bicycle here and put your bicycle here. You see, that's the white sand, and here is the, beach lake or something like that. So busy. That in front of me is the children playground, and here I think the basketball or badminton court. That's the gym. That's the volleyball court. People are riding bicycle, and here is the place where you can actually doing a barbecue with family. You see so many beautiful family here with friends as well, and that's the basketball court. So yeah, I'm just walking and strolling around basically. I think more and more family coming here, obviously because this one is, today is weekend. Unfortunately Damian is working, so tomorrow we will go somewhere together. Oh, look at the children playground. It's nice. So many outdoor attraction basically here. So it's a very good place for a day out. So what I can see is that it's very enjoyable actually, going out here. But yes, because it's very packed with people. If you plan to go swimming, in the lake, maybe you should wait for the empty spot, but I don't think will be another empty spot. So in front of me there is a one nice restaurant, and here is the menu basically, and I'll show you the view. So busy, really. It's hot. Nice, many bicycles. People are there doing a barbecue basically, as you see. It's busy. I decided to go to one bar here. I'm thinking to buy something to eat actually. That's the situation. It is so hot, and I feel like I'm craving for the frittcake, the fries, and this is how it looks, the restaurant situation. It's that attraction, and here is the price actually. Oh, this one is the Rafa Marina Park. So for the children, that price, and they have a sauna, and also they have like this. Oh, so busy. The sun, and here how it looks actually, the situation. It's very hot, and I was eating my frittcake actually there, and then there were two guys coming sitting next to me because it's very hot and I sit under the shade, and they asked me like, "Kon jestes?" I said, "Yeah, jestem z Bali, Indonesia." Podobacie się w Polsce? I said, yeah, bardzo lubię mój mąż polski. Oh, and then they're just quiet and left. So what I can see is that wherever I go, the first question that people asking me is "Kon jestes?" Where are you from? I think this is the same actually when I remember that I took Damian somewhere, and everybody just asking, "Where are you from?" You go there, actually there are beautiful jungles. You see that many people cycling, and then in front of me is the water park, And yeah, many people are keep coming and coming. It is hot, very hot. I cannot handle the heat, and even they have a sauna there. Got a friend who is living in Netherlands also asking me, do you like living in Poland actually? And I feel like I like it here. What I shouldn't like, everything is here. I mean, like especially in Poznan, we have lake, we have nature, we have malls. I like malls. I think that I should cool off myself in the mall instead of going to the lake or the beach like this. But yes, so far there are so many things that I can do. So yeah, so far I like it. I really like it here, and I've got many friends here, and yeah, it's so enjoyable. And I'm walking home, getting the bus, and especially for the public transportation here, it is very easy to get, very convenient, and wherever you go, it's just simply very easy. Basically, this is how it looks the weekend here in the Straszynek, and I think this place is the busiest so far in Poznan during the summer. So I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.